Hello all, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my healthy food and fusion recipes. So here I am with another healthy and fusion recipe, that is the mango kadhi. So this is a kadhi with a raw mango twist. So this is a whole raw mango I have taken. I have used Baiganpuri mango. You can use any mango of your choice like Alfonso, Kesri, anything. And this is the kadhi mixture. So basically kadhi is prepared from curd and 1 tablespoon of brown flour. So this has been blended, and now we will go ahead with our recipe. Again, we are having a very basic requirements of the ingredients. So this is fresh roughly chopped coriander and 4 to 5 green chilies. So these are little spicy. You can take chilies as per your taste, and obviously the masala box will be used, so the very basic ones will be used here. So first we will blend the mango into a puree. So the first and foremost thing that we need to do is blend this mango into a puree so that it can be easily mixed with our kadhi mixture. So let's do that. We have prepared the mango puree. It is looking so yummy. Look at that, beautiful yellow color. As you know, like, we will be experimenting many cuisines and recipes in our food chemistry kitchen. So this is another experiment in our kitchen today. Let's see how it turns out for us. So I will be using this spoon to mix into the kadhi mixture. So once it is done, then we will blend it again. It is looking very rich and the consistency is quite thick. Wow, look at that. So now time for the final step. So we will be doing the tadka. So I have taken oil into the box. Time to put jeera, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. You require very basic ingredients, so not to worry. And green chilies. Once it's crackle, then we will put our this mixture into the kadhai. So this is the final look of our mango curry. Wow, look at that richness and deliciousness. Can't wait to try it out. If you like this recipe, do try it out and let us know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching Food Chemistry by Amrita. Keep supporting us.